Understanding, it's just business. A guide to professional communication. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in real-life professional settings. It's just business. This phrase is a goldmine for learning about cultural nuances and professional communication in English. Let's unpack its meaning, usage, and the context in which you might encounter or use it. The phrase, "It's just business," is used to imply that a decision or action, usually a difficult or unpleasant one, is made for business reasons and not out of personal feelings or emotions. It's a way of distancing oneself from the personal side of a decision, highlighting that the action is taken for the sake of business success, efficiency, or necessity. This phrase is often employed in situations where business decisions might affect personal relationships. For example, if someone has to lay off employees due to budget cuts, they might say, "It's just business," to express that their decision is not personal. It's a reminder that in the business world, decisions are made to ensure the survival and growth of the company, even if they are tough on an individual level. While "it's just business" can be a useful phrase, it's important to use it carefully. Overusing it or using it in the wrong context can come across as insensitive or dismissive of others' feelings. It's best used in situations where you need to explain or justify a purely business decision to someone who might take the decision personally. Always follow up with an explanation or reassurance that you understand the personal impact of the decision. The phrase also opens a window into cultural attitudes towards business and personal relationships. In some cultures, business and personal lives are kept strictly separate, while in others, they are more intertwined. Understanding when and how to use phrases like, "It's just business," can help navigate these cultural differences and communicate more effectively in international business contexts. We hope this exploration of "it's just business" has given you insight into not only the phrase itself but also the broader aspects of professional communication and cultural nuances. Remember, effective communication is key in any business setting, and understanding the underlying meanings of such phrases can greatly enhance your communication skills. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language and its practical uses in our next video.